Guys, today I'll show you how to change Waze to MPH. Let's get started. First, open the Waze app on your phone and tap the search icon. Next, go to Settings, then scroll down and tap General. In the General menu, look for distance units or units, depending on your version of the app. Tap the settings, then select miles instead of kilometers. Waze will automatically update your navigation settings and display distances, arrival information, and the speedometer using miles and miles per hour or mph. If you don't see the change immediately, close the Waze app completely and reopen it. You should also make sure you're using the latest version of Waze, since menu names may vary slightly between updates. Once you're done, start a route and confirm that your speed and distance are now displayed in mph. And that's how to change Waze to mph. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.